fish. We're gonna have a mukbang today. We got rice, tomatoes, and tomato fish. See, we got fish. And JP, his plate is we got 2 fish. Yep, and now we're gonna eat.
Yeah, I'm so hungry. I bet you I'm like fresh. I don't eat it all. I'm not going to.
Yep. I don't know. It's food. See guys, magkaon pa karon. Ayan, may niluluto pa kami. Ayan, kain tayo, kain. Turn it off first. We're gonna eat, okay? We are not cutting it. We're not cutting fish right like this. We only do fish like this. What is this? Fish da. What is this? Fish da. Fish da. It's a fish. Da, fish da. Okay, go. Eat na. There's sausawan right here. Sausawan. He likes it sabaw. He likes it on his rice. So there you go. We're gonna mix it because he likes it. You want a spoon? Yeah, I'm gonna do it to you. What is this? Here you go. Because you might eat the bone. So guys, this is how I do. He loves fish.
I like bones. I like bones so good. I eat it. And when my teeth are dangerous, I eat it. I eat the food that's dangerous for my food. But rice,
Nice teeth. And we have what is that? Pineapple later after we eat for dessert. I'm still cooking fish. There's a lot of fish that I cook.
You have some more fish.
Mm-hmm.
I need get more. The feathers run out. The daddy get angry.
My daddy gonna get angry.
So the daddy going. I need to get some more.
There's some more.
The daddy just having more and more.
More and more. Dito pa ito. Ay, hindi makita. Yan. Tingnan ko muna yung niluluto ko. Yep. They're good.
Yeah, I'm eat the oh no, when I'm baby, I'm eat okay. I'm eat the bone on my feet, but all the damage. A knife, but the knife eat it only knife.
Mm-hmm. You eat na. Mm-hmm. Sarap kumain guys ang nakakamay. Excuse me sa mga di nagkakamay. Kasi, I love eating kamay.
I'm breakable when my teeth are yummy.
Mm-hmm. Hindi ako kumakain ng di nakakamay.
Why?
Hindi ako nabubusog. Mabuti nakakamay kasi, except sa sabaw. What's wrong? Mm. Want me to do it? It's bone. Sharp. We're gonna get out the meat to the bone because we might eat it. Yeah, we might eat it. Hey, you need a napkin? Why you are wiping your nose with your hands? You're so silly. Why are you wiping your nose with your hands? Ang sarap ng ano guys, isda, crunchy. Bagong luto. Mm-hmm. Bagong luto. Say bagong? Bagong luto. New cook. Bagong luto is new cook, right? Mm-hmm. Ang daming buto. Mukbang kami ngayon, mukbang kami ng anak ko.
I'm always doing food. I need the bone.
Ang sarap guys. Ang sarap kumain.
Yeah, Mama.
Ayan, naubos na yung kanin namin. Naubos ang kanon. Lamig tayong isda.
Stop! Blocking my way!
Blocking your way. How?
It's too dark.
Too dark.
Why can't you see it? Somebody not can see me.
They can see you. You're in the camera.
Yes, but someone can see me, dark.
You move forward. There you go. Go eat na. No, tomato. Tomato. The what? Your face good. Look, there's the head. Not good. Yeah. Naubos na yung ano niya, yung isda niya. Where's sapo? Sapo. Sampo. Sampo is 10. Sampo is 10. I don't know. One is uno. Uno. Isa. Sapo. Sampo. I don't know what's sapo. Really? Ang daming buto. Wala na naman siyang isda. Mas gustong-gusto niya yung isda kasi sa inyo. Ito na ito. Where have wait ang isda? Okay, wait a minute. Ouch. More what? Rice? You can have your own. It's already there. Mika, where's the fish? Let me get another fish. Nothing there. No more? Nothing more? Cool, then. Don't eat that one. It's hot. No, don't do that. Look, it's that bone. You're gonna have a stuck on your throat. Let me do it for you, okay? Let me do it. Because you might get the bone. Ganitohin natin kasi baka mabilaukan. Ayun. Matinik ba? Ang lalaki pa naman ng tinik. Don't do that. Use mashing it, please. I know. Let me just do it for you, okay? That's good, huh? There's extra bone. Nagutom na kami kaya nagluluto, kumakain. Yan ang ginagawa. Nagutom yung dalawa. Aalis sana kami, so hindi kami nakaalis kaya nagluto na lang. Hindi na, tinamad na yung nanay. Hindi na kami umalis. Baka mag-grocery na lang kami mamaya. Tapos yun lang. Only one potato. Okay, you want rice? No? Okay, don't put it on your head. Masarap na kain, dami kong makain. That's not nice. You want tomatoes? You what? Go eat na. Have a lot of fish. dami pang fish. Ang dami pang fish. You know, dami? Madami. Marami pang fish. Many. Yeah. Yeah, marami fish. Tita Liza give this to us. I don't know, but she gave us. Remember when we went to her house? She gave us a lot of fish. Go eat na. Oh, you need a tissue. Stopping in the kitchen. Monster. You eat na. Stop opening your nose. You need to finish it. You eat it. Go eat it. No play with it. Don't wet your face and stuff. You have a tissue. Where's your tissue? You need to take care of a tissue. Why are you up to your nose? Stop wiping your nose with your hands. Keep it still. Your rice. Finish your rice, Mama's done with rice. I eat a lot of rice. Why? Because the food is good. Mm-hmm. Stop wiping your nose with your hands. Wala na yung kanin. Nahurot ng kanon. You need to eat it. I don't know. So they can swim. Why you have bone? Mm-hmm. Your bone doesn't see. That's why fish got bone, because they can swim. That's why you have bone to move, right? Powers. See, ang dami pa guys. Ang dami pa namin ano. Ang dami pa namin kakainin isda. Just sit down there and finish your food, please. I will eat it. Just sit down. Just sit down there. Sit down there, please. Mhm. Let's see. Sarap ng ano, isda. Galing pa to sa coast. fish.
I have milk powers.
Mm.
When I drink juice, I get cheap. Orange powers, I drink orange. Orange drink. Now I am
Ako
happy.
kaya inaantok.
I said, what?
Go finish na.
I'm open wide. I enter. What? I got food, baby.
See, that's what we eat today.
Yeah, I'm done with it.
We did not finish, and the fish is still a lot of it because only 2 of us eat it. See, rice is gone,
The fish is gone.
and fish is gone. They got big belly now.